my name is Eric Matisoff. I am thrilled to be your host for this evening.
Hey, I'm Eric Matisoff. I'm the principal evangelist focused on customer experience orchestration here at Adobe. I've been managing the Sneaks program for 10 years behind the scenes, and this is my 4th year hosting.
Are you ready for a no-holds-barred tech showdown?
The amount of innovation that comes across my desk has tripled compared to previous years. Last year, we had 150 ideas that could be Sneaks. This year, thanks to vibe coding, vibe designing, vibe brainstorming, we had over 500 ideas come across my desk from every single office at Adobe. Everything we do at Adobe and everything we've announced this week at Summit ladders up to customer experience orchestration. Whether it's for brand visibility, content supply chain, or customer engagement, everything is about delivering better experiences for your customers. One of the most exciting creative innovations that we have this year is Project Test Kitchen.
I'm gonna launch the interface of Project Test Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Yuzhe. I'm a 2-time intern at Adobe working on Project Test Kitchen. As an intern, I could have never imagined that my work actually will make it to the grand stage of Adobe Summit Sneaks to such a large-scale audience. Project Test Kitchen is about shifting the role of AI from a tool that simply takes orders from you to marketers' creative thinking partner. With so many team members, it's hard to capture everyone's input and all that nuance in one prompt. But with Project Test Kitchen, we allow you to upload everyone's input and ideas as well as brand guidelines into one mood board, and the AI agent will interpret them and transform them into something with taste and something unique. Project Test Kitchen also supports this more flexible workflow where you can zoom out from the design and see more variations when you want to explore, and also zoom into design and see designs with smaller changes when you want to focus on low-level refinements.
We've turned this into really an innovation flywheel as well. So not only are we showing the best of the best of the best, but we're also making it available to customers faster than ever.
What makes this year's Sneaks experience different is that we will be hosting all our Sneaks on the Adobe Summit microsite, that every single one of you gets to try our Sneaks hands-on.
You can play with every single technology that we highlighted on stage at Sneaks.